1.
Extract tuning. Interaction/reactions. Add. Interaction tuning. Data name. Update as superaffordances. Store info. XML. Cancelable by user. Remove to be able to cancel action. Constrain. Dictates how sim must stand to do it. Remove if desired. Update icon if you wanna. If you don't know how,
find that in the description.
To update animation, extract tuning. Search for animation. Add. Animation tuning. Data. Copy ID and name. Delete animation tuning.
2.
Interaction tuning. Under Factory, replace ID and name. Update this name with matching deets. Basic liabilities. Decides if a sim is busy, after these amount of minutes have passed, cancel interaction. Remove this if you want. Test globals. Says who can use it. Species means non-humans can't use it. Remove species if you want. Test set ref means Ghost Sims can't use this. Remove, update or keep. Outcome tab. Local tunings. Copy action loot and replace the current with your action loot. Update display name with deets we made before.
Find that in the description.
Done! Ooh, it's slowly coming together. Nice. What's next?
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.